In this video I'm going to show you how to replace these rubber buttons on a Vauxhall or Opel key fob. As you can see, the rubber buttons on this key fob are perished and worn right through and need replacing before it starts damaging the internals. The first thing we need to do is to buy a replacement part. I bought this kit off eBay, which consisted of a replacement fob case, a battery and 2 replacement circuit board buttons, and cost under £3. I won't be using these little buttons as mine are still working just fine. Also, one thing to note in buying one of these kits, if you're also intending to replace the rear half of the fob case too as well as the front, make sure to buy one where the rear half has the battery terminals included. If you're new and didn't come with any battery terminals, then I suggest you just keep using the old one and only replace the front half, as you will very likely damage them, particularly this one, trying to get them out. So to fit this new case, we will need to take apart our old key fob, and to do that we will just need a flathead screwdriver. Place the key fob face down on a flat surface in this direction. Place a screwdriver in the hole on the back, and while using a bit of downward pressure, angle the screwdriver back like so until it starts to slide the key fob apart. It may take a few attempts. If you look at my replacement part here, you can see what we're trying to do. And when the case begins to separate, then slide the fob apart. Take care not to lose this little rectangular piece inside the key section here. This is the transponder chip for your car's immobiliser. If you lose this, your key will no longer start your car and will result in an expensive trip to the dealership to have a new one programmed. It is fastening quite securely, but just be aware of it to save yourself any problems. So now we have the middle section out, we need to open it up. Hold it between your thumb and finger like this, and on the side with just one clip, insert the end of the screwdriver under that clip and gently twist the screwdriver until the case opens. Then separate the two halves. Then take the front half of the case and gently prise out the circuit board. I'm using a toothpick in the video so you can see what I'm doing, but you can quite easily just use your fingernail. So now we want to take a new case, open it up same as before, and place the circuit board into it. Place the circuit board button side first into the front half of the new case, making sure you have it the right way around. You can only go one way around anyway because of the cutouts on the circuit board for these bits of plastic to go through. Then take the rear half and insert the battery. The battery should be positive side up or the side with the writing on it side up. If you're using the original rear half and your kit came with a new battery, then it's a good idea to replace the battery with the new one while you have it apart. Now take your two halves and gently clip them back together. You can actually test if it's working now by pressing the buttons. I'm pressing them here and I can just about hear my car opening and closing outside. Then finally, making sure the transponder chip is still in place, slide the two parts back together, making sure you have it the right way around. This cutout here is for the transponder chip and wants to be on the same side as that, and will only slide in one way anyway without using brute force. And just keep pressing it until it clips into place. And there we have it. What would have cost £50, £90 or even £100 to have done at a dealership, we've done ourselves for under £3 and in just a few minutes. If this video was useful to you, then please give it a like and also consider subscribing to my channel. Hope it helped and thanks for watching.